Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a really good one. This is Rule 8 of the Rules of Acquisition. Small print leads to big risk. So what does this entail? Now this actually affects two different parties in this. This affects not only you, but also the different service providers that you've got. When you are making a new agreement with a service provider, make sure you're reading the small print. Find out if your costs are going to rise in a few months. No, exactly. Because I tell you something, there's nothing quite like having an electricity provider that is going to provide you with great electricity in terms of value in the first 3 or 4 months, and then they're going to whap the price up. And sometimes it's better to go with the electrical provider that will just give you a steady ticking thing, even if you have to pay more for the first couple of months, because otherwise that money's going to catch you down the road. Now also, when it comes to small print for your business, if you have a contract or an agreement for a service that you're providing, it's very, very good not to have small print. All right, everything should be out in the open because you don't want to get hit by any contract laws if anyone wants to come after you or there is any breach of contract down the road. You want everything to be nice, plain and out in the open, even if it feels detrimental. So small print does lead to big risk, and it has hurt a lot of big companies because there are many people who can pull the "I'm getting out of this contract because it's an unreasonable contract" rule, and that is contract law, and that is a nightmare. But it's very, very good to make sure that everything is just easy to read, out in the open. And when it comes to contracts, if you're doing a contract for people, make sure you got nice big font in that contract so it's easy to read. Keep the language simple, because the simpler your contract, the easier to understand the language is, the harder it is for someone to actually wriggle out of it, so the better the contract it is. Anyway, you take care, and I hope this has been helpful. See you on the next one.